there. Talk.
All right, today's the Thanksgiving Day. I don't know what's the date today.
I don't know.
I don't know either. Puppies are 6.5 weeks old. It's Thursday. They'll be 7 weeks old on Sunday. And this is their collars on them for the first time. Some are not as accepting as others. The little girl doesn't care too much for them. Gomez was the best. And of course now we got the Step and Fetch It twins here.
Who's over there in the corner?
That's Boo, and over here is Trick. Ha! Or Treat, sorry. Trick's right here. There's Trick. I put it on them when they were sleeping. And they woke up to a shock that they had something hanging around their necks. This is Boo. Are you Boo? No, I think you're Goblin. And this is Boo. Come here. Oh, goodness. Boo Bear. That's Goody's tail. Come on, puppies.
There goes Goody.
Come on, puppies. Goody. Goody, settle.